Hey guys, welcome back. Just doing a couple odds and ends today. Scrub out my wheel liners, clean out all the dirt, and put on some tire shine, make them shiny and clean, easy to rinse out. Stay tuned. So my technique of getting the wheel liners clean, I kind of brushed all the dirt out with a bristle brush and loosened it up, and then I wiped it all out with a rag and applied the product to the rag and into the inside of the wheel liner and just distributed it from there. So I got a even coat to make it look good. Sorry, I gotta drive kind of soft here because I got another task that's kind of odd, but I tried just spraying on that tire shine, that tire kicker tire shine onto my wheels, because I've probably got a good 2 coats of that Meguiar's hot shine on there. I gotta get it off. I kind of made a bit of a mess of the one wheel, and I started doing it at 12 noon as opposed to 4 in the afternoon or 7, 8 in the morning, and it's turned into a mess, and I don't really know how to start or how to fix it aside from starting fresh and getting all that crap off of the tire. So I'm gonna scrub all that out. I just got a bucket of water and Dawn in the back of the truck. I'm gonna pull into the car wash and get that stuff off, and then scrub on some of my Diablo wheel cleaner, clean the inside of the barrels of the wheels out. And when you're dealing with wheels and you're dealing with any residual tire shine on there, it's best just to start fresh. Just get rid of it all. Get rid of any kind of waxes you got on your wheel and just start with a fresh surface. Because when you're scabbing stuff together, it just makes a mess out of it, and that's something I really learned today. Yeah, it doesn't work, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get all that tire crap off, and then I'm gonna clean the wheel, and then I'm gonna wash it all off and give it a day or two to kind of come back down to zero and start applying stuff from there. So get rid of the old and in with the new, right? So we're gonna do that. So this is kind of what I've done. You see all this globby, yucky crap? I gotta get rid of that and just start fresh, because that looks like crap. And I'll clean all that brake dust out of the wheels. You can see all this back in here. So I'll deal with that. This is kind of how the virgin side of after I put this stuff on, you can see there's all this crap on there. This guy. I don't really know how good of a job that did, because I can still kind of get some of the old stuff off here. You saw me, I scrubbed the living crap out of them, but I'm gonna have to go at this stuff with a fine-tooth comb just to get it off and start fresh. I'll do it when the rubber's dry. It's all these knobs, it catches all the junk, but the wheel's got a good clean. You can see how clean it is in the barrel now. Nice clean barrels, nice fresh wheels. Tires just need a bit of work. You can see it better on this one. See that? It's trying to let go. But it's gonna take a while. I'll put a lot of that hot shine on. I'm never gonna use that stuff again. So I've been notified that my sponsored product has arrived. Can't wait to get those on. I'll make a video for you guys for that. Show you how to put them on and the benefits to them. I gotta work tomorrow now, so I won't get this up probably till tomorrow night. Just something to do to make use of the day. There's not a whole lot I can do. Doug Ford's gone on the news now to tell us about all the lockdown procedures, stay-at-home orders, businesses closing, the usual for a month. I got a shave. That's the thing about working in a refinery, you got a shave. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be a part 2 to this, getting this old tire shine off, this McGuire's hot shine. That's why it's good to experiment with stuff. Now, do you get good results from it? Yes, it's a great product, but if you don't get it off before the winter time and even dare to try to put it on in the wintertime, it just turns into a mess, and it's hard to find stuff that don't do that. You know, I've used silicone products as well. That's the disadvantage to these chemical guys' products, is the majority of them are water-based and they just wash away with ease. And I mean, in certain areas, like my center console, using a more oil-based product is great because it stays, it doesn't wipe away, it doesn't wash off. So in certain areas, it's better to use, you know, a synthetic based product to have the durability, wear and tear, touching them, surfaces rubbing, whatever. Use those products for those surfaces. But the surfaces that you want to not have stuff stick to, create a buildup, i.e. your tires or your wheels, you have to find alternative products. So yeah, I kind of got to start fresh, and I got to get rid of the old to bring in the new, and it's gonna take a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. We'll cut it at that, and thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next one, and have a good day. Ciao.